How to log into MetaMask wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is a popular cryptocurrency wallet and a gateway to blockchain applications. Now, if you want to log into your MetaMask wallet, make sure you have already created an account on it. Now, open your MetaMask application on your mobile device, and you will reach to this interface. Here you will need to enter your password of your MetaMask wallet. Make sure to enter the correct password here. In case if you don't remember your password, you can also tap on this reset wallet option at the very bottom, and from there you can recover your password by following the on-screen instructions provided to you. Now once you have entered your password, tap on this unlock button right here, and it will take some while. You will also need to use your biometrics if you have added previously. After that, you will be able to log into your MetaMask wallet. From here, you can now access your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your MetaMask wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.